Building a nutritious diet, a simple guide to healthy eating. Staying healthy doesn't have to be complicated. In today's fast-paced world, where fad diets and quick fixes dominate our news feeds, building a nutritious diet may seem overwhelming. But here's the truth. Achieving health and vitality is more about understanding the basics of nutrition and making consistent, sustainable choices. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to build and maintain a nutritious diet that fits your lifestyle. Whether you're looking to boost energy, support fitness goals, or simply feel better, this guide is for you. Let's start with the foundation. What is a nutritious diet? Simply put, it's a way of eating that provides your body with the essential nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals needed to function at its best. A balanced diet supports your physical and mental well-being, boosts immunity, improves energy levels, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. The best part? Building a nutritious diet doesn't mean eliminating entire food groups or resorting to extreme restrictions. It's about balance, variety, and personalizing your choices to suit your goals and preferences. To build a sound diet, you must first understand the three major macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Let's break them down. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy. This macronutrient powers your daily activities and fuels your brain. But not all carbs are created equal. Focus on consuming complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. These provide long-lasting energy and are packed with fiber, which aids digestion. On the other hand, limit refined carbs like sugary snacks and white bread, which can cause energy crashes. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, and supporting immune health. It's often hailed as the cornerstone of nutrition for active individuals, but it benefits everyone. High-quality protein sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, nuts, and plant-based options like tofu. Learn to incorporate a serving of protein into each meal to maintain a steady supply of nutrients throughout the day. Fats are often misunderstood, but they are vital for brain health, hormone function, and energy regulation. Choose unsaturated fats from foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish, for example, salmon, mackerel, to promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Avoid trans fats, found in processed foods, which can harm your overall health. While the exact ratio of macronutrients may vary depending on your goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or maintenance, aim for a balance that aligns with your energy needs while keeping you satisfied. While macronutrients grab the spotlight, vitamins, minerals, and fiber play critical supporting roles. Micronutrients are essential for keeping your body's processes running smoothly, including bone health, immunity, and energy production. Vitamins like A, C, D, and E, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron are crucial for overall health. For example, calcium strengthens bones, while vitamin C boosts your immune system. Consuming a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures you get a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Fiber is often overlooked, but is crucial in promoting gut health and aiding digestion. It supports weight management by helping you feel full longer. Sources of fiber include vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes. Begin each meal by adding a generous portion of fiber-rich foods alongside your proteins and healthy fats. Building a nutritious diet starts with what you bring home from the grocery store. Here's how to shop smarter. Create a weekly plan outlining what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Having a plan makes it easier to choose healthy ingredients and stay on track. Learning to decode nutrition labels can help you make healthier choices. Avoid foods with high added sugar, trans fats, and lengthy ingredient lists containing unfamiliar chemicals. Focus on the perimeter of the store, where fresh produce, lean proteins, and dairy products are usually located. Avoid relying too heavily on processed foods in the middle aisles. Swap unhealthy choices for better options. For example, replace sugary sodas with infused water, chips with crunchy nuts or seeds, and white bread with whole grain alternatives. These small changes can have a big impact over time. A one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work when it comes to nutrition. Here's how to tailor your diet to meet your specific needs. Your energy and nutritional needs depend on factors like age, activity level, health goals, and body type. For example, athletes may require more protein, while someone aiming for weight loss might prioritize lower-calorie, nutrient-dense meals. Portion sizes play a significant role in maintaining balance. Use smaller plates to control portions, and listen to your body's hunger cues to avoid overeating. Mindful eating involves slowing down and savoring your meals. Focus on chewing your food thoroughly, appreciating the flavors, and recognizing when you feel full. This practice improves digestion and prevents overeating caused by stress or distraction. Consistency is key to success. Prepare meals ahead of time to avoid reaching for unhealthy options when you're busy or tired. Pack healthy snacks like nuts, fruit, or yogurt for days when you're on the go. Do not overhaul your diet overnight. Instead, make gradual changes by incorporating 1 or 2 new habits each week. For instance, start by adding more vegetables to your meals or replacing sugary drinks with water. Keeping a journal or using a nutrition app can help you monitor your meals, energy levels, and overall progress. Tracking doesn't need to feel restrictive. Use it as a tool for awareness and motivation. Every step toward better health matters. Celebrate milestones like cooking 1 homemade meal a day or cutting back on processed snacks. Acknowledge your success to stay motivated on your journey. Don't underestimate the power of water. Staying hydrated supports digestion, energy levels, and overall health. Aim for 8-10 glasses of water per day and adjust based on your activity levels. The 80-20th principle allows flexibility in your diet. Eat nutritious foods 80% of the time and enjoy indulgent treats guilt-free for the remaining 20%. This approach eliminates the pressure of perfection and keeps your diet sustainable. Many people avoid specific macronutrients due to misconceptions. For example, carbs make you gain weight, or fats are bad. Dispelling these myths will help you make informed decisions about your diet. Remember, balance matters more than exclusion. Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive. Buy seasonal produce, shop local farmers markets, and keep staples like oats, beans, and rice in your pantry. Home-cooked meals are also cost-effective compared to eating out or buying processed snacks. Lack of time is a common excuse, but cooking healthy meals doesn't have to take long. Prep ingredients in advance, batch cook for the week, or explore quick, nutritious recipes like salads, stir-fries, and smoothie bowls. Building a nutritious diet is not about restriction or perfection. It's about creating a balanced, flexible way of eating that you can maintain for life. Start by understanding the basics of macronutrients, valuing the importance of vitamins and minerals, and making smarter grocery shopping choices. Personalize your plan to suit your goals, integrate small, sustainable habits, and embrace flexibility. Remember, health is a long-term journey. If you're consistent, mindful, and kind to yourself, you'll notice lasting improvements in your energy, fitness, and overall well-being. We hope you feel inspired and confident to take the first step toward building a nutritious diet that works for you. Start today, and let this journey pave the way for a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself.